Welcome back to our Lean Revolution saga. Chapter 2: Wastes and How to Fight Them. Dumpster diving. Wastes in procedures. Every system is perfectly designed to get the results it gets. W. Edwards Deming. Before we begin, I want to invite you to stay until the end, as I'll be issuing a challenge where you can win a copy of this ebook. With that said, let's get started. How many types of waste categories do you think may be in a typical procedure? Let's say that a procedure mentions the company name 3 times. Let's say that a document mentions 5 times standard operating procedure instead of procedure. Let's say that our procedure is labeled QC-SOP-020.1. Are all these wastes? Those procedures could have served their purpose perfectly well by saying the company instead of International Blue Widget LLC. Procedure instead of standard operating procedure. And in most cases without a document number, the purpose of the procedures would not have been affected or diminished. In my years of working with hundreds of management systems, I found some 27 categories of waste in the typical procedures. I call this the Procedure Waste Master List. Interested in exploring? Come with me and fasten your seatbelt. It's going to get bumpy. Company name. Company logo. Standard operating procedure. Document numbers. Revision history. Superseded revision. The owner. Purpose statement duplicating the title. Responsibilities section. Reference document section. Definitions section. Reminders of training requirements. Requirements for the retention of records. References to approved suppliers. Listing of irrelevant documents. Generic references to standards and regulations. Document distribution list. Document approvers. Designees. No specified format for documents or procedure template. Title blocks and non-content graphics. Poor writing style, excessive wording. Use of passive voice. Instructions are hard to follow. Documents are written by memory, not by observation. And finally, conflicting requirements and not validated content before release or revision. If that sounds overwhelming, don't panic. Of course, not every procedure contains all this ballast. The list above is a summary of what I've seen in different systems. If you wonder why I believe all these categories are waste, then stick around and I'll explain. If it doesn't add value, it's waste. Henry Ford. In the following videos, I'll share my experience on why the categories listed above are waste with no added value to document's purpose. We'll look at the best and worst examples from my experience and examine options for improvements. In this book, I show you examples of a paper-based system. However, if you use software for corrective actions, training, improvement, or any other applications, you can still use these concepts for modeling your software process flows. Remember, software programs are only as good as their creators. In the book, I often show solutions for the ISO 9001:2015 Quality Management System standard. But you may apply the same concepts to any system, quality, environmental, safety, or any other management system. This concludes our dumpster diving, wastes in procedures video. But wait, before you go, I've got a quick question for you. Do you like challenges? If so, I have a good one. Take a close look at my Procedures Waste Master List of 27 items. If you can mail me one that I missed, I'll gladly send you a copy of this ebook. What do you say? One of the links below will take you to the Contact Us page on our site. Go on, give it a try. I can't wait to hear from you. It's time to go lean, folks. Share this video with your colleagues and click that subscribe button. In the following videos, we'll continue killing wastes in ISO management systems documents. Give us a like if you've learned something new today. Until next time.